worry about that. Nobody can go per live and class me. Nobody can go per. Okay. Come on for this. So I'm there for who for business that drunk crow. Tell about them the dirty girl you see. I hate them, I see. Nobody can go per live and class me, you know. Because look into yourself. Look into yourself. Class me. Look into yourself. Nobody. Me tell you, I have phone that overeat. Me smell it like it a rose. I'm checking for the phone as well. Nobody cannot trust her because like imagine say somebody come to you like confidential wise and like you and the lady who work at the place you go sit down and chat me and them some of them. So what kind of style them they? Right now I'm posting TikTok video them because I never hear nobody say fit up post on TikTok. Look into yourself and act like a big man. Act like a big man. Because why? Me tell us you get up. That Nicki Minaj block him. And me I say, what the hell? What the hell? Oh my god. Mr. People, Desmond upon live, you know. Desmond Destiny upon live, you know. I tell you words say Nicki Minaj block me, you know. I mean, I say, why you do them something there for me? I'm post to TikTok. You know much TikTok I have make when I want to make for when? When I want to post. I have some TikTok when I want some good caption. I don't want to post them TikTok you actually look too cute. Them two